Oh, nice. You recovered it. Whew. This thing jumps beautifully. I almost took my legs out. It's hot, it's hot. It's hot. All right, let's see. I'm gonna try to jump it a little quick here. Boom! Nice. I almost took my legs out looking at your jump. I fell. No. Got it. Whew. That thing is a beast, man. She screams. I messed up on that one. I didn't catch it. I completely blanked out. I went reverse, forward. Give me the flipperoonie. Thank you, sir. All right, let's see. Is she all good? All right. Let me see something. All right. Okay, okay. What's going on over there? I can't, damn. I know, that's how you break the diff. Boom. This is the first time that I take it out after I fixed it. Oh, you saw that? And the grass is a little moist. I'm gonna do like a couple more jumps and then we'll go on the road. Let it cool down a little, let it cool down a little. It's hot. I'll get you. Almost. Whoa, you saw that? That was nice, that was nice. You got scared though, you got scared. You like that? Ooh, I caught it right at the end. All right, you want to go to the road and do some runs? Ooh. All right, let it cool down a little, bro. You're gonna burn out the engine. Oh, that was a good jump. Dang. You got that thing mastered, bro. Bro, eventually when you drive one of these.
What movie's that from?
Top Gun or something? Oh, Breakfast Club. All right, I gotta carry this thing and drive this thing. Yeah, we don't need the cone. Checking if this thing is still recording. The Tootsie Roll. Oye, pero. Yeah. I get cut like a lizard. Like a lizard. I'm driving one hand right now. I'm driving one hand. I said, I don't want to crash it. It was too expensive breaking it the first time.
And the second time.
Nah, that's you.
Oh, yeah.
I'm going to crash it to my car. That's nice. All right, I got to use both hands here.
Put it right over the crane pipe.
All right, I got one hand right now. No, this? Jumping here? I'm not going to jump it here. I'll jump it on grass. Yeah, I'm going to let it cool down for 2 seconds. This is so hot. Here, put it under the shade for 2 seconds. It's hot. Yo, oh, the keys are over there. Who cares? Just leave this here for now.